The next thing that we're going to do is add our first moving obstacle to one of our holes. So pick any hole in your course so far, doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to use this hole here. This is my hole 7. And we want to go to course and find the moving block prefab. This is where it should be about. This is about what it should look like. We're just going to drag that out onto our course wherever we would like it. If you are operating in this project on the intermediate or hard difficulties, the last thing that you need to do is add this to hole 7 or whatever hole it is that you're on. So just add the object into the whole game object. Same thing if you're on easy. But if you are on intermediate or hard, that is it. You can save your scene and move on to the next step, as you will not have the script. You're going to be creating the script we are going to add for the easy difficulty people. If you are on the easy difficulty, then we can just go ahead and go into our provided scripts folder and select the moving block script. We're going to give it a move speed. I think the lower seems to be better, so 1 is usually pretty good. And then we're going to give this thing 2 waypoints to move between. So the easiest way to give it a waypoint is to right click on the object and hit create empty. That's going to create an empty object right on top of it. And that's going to serve as our first waypoint, so we can move that where we'd like it to go. And then after we move that waypoint, we're going to duplicate it with Control D, and then move the other one where else we'd like the other spot we'd like it to go. So we need 2 waypoints, and then once we have them, we go back to the moving block script and put a 2 in this waypoints field here, and then we drag each of those empty game objects into our field. And you'll see now if I were to hit play and then go back to my scene view, I can see this block is now moving back and forth. And as you can see, 1 is kind of a high move speed. If you did something like 5, it'd be a little ridiculous. So 1 or less than 1 are good speeds there. But yeah, once you've got that set up, go ahead and save your scene.